Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this beautiful 2017 Acura RDX Elite all-wheel drive. Power for this Acura comes from a 3.5 liter V6 engine mounted to an automatic transmission, and it is riding on 19-inch alloy wheels. From the side we've got the nice deep tinted privacy glass with color matched door handles and mirrors with integrated turn signals. And as we come along to the front, we've got the large raked windshield for excellent visibility, as well as fog lights and the chrome Acura grille. Inside we have a ton of fantastic features too, so let's hop right in and check it out. Peeking in through the window, if we look up, we've got our power tilt and slide moonroof, and then we've got this beautiful black leather interior that does carry through to the back, where we've got tons of legroom and seating for three. The rear seats are heated as well as the front. Opening up the door, we're going to find our power locks, power windows, and power folding mirrors. And right here is our memory settings for our power driver's seat. We also have a power passenger seat here too. Taking a look right down here, we're going to find our rear parking aid sensors, lane departure, power liftgate, forward collision, and traction control. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our audio controls and our hands-free Bluetooth calling. And over here on the right, we're going to find our adaptive cruise control and some different info you can access up on your dash. This Acura does come with factory installed remote start as well. And this is a push button start. You just put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it will start right up for you. Now we'll just wait for the dash to finish loading up here. So using these controls that I was talking about on the steering wheel, if we go into our vehicle settings, we can go into our driver's assist setup, and you can go in and set up your system in here. There's our lane keeping, blind spot info, forward collision warning distance. You can change that, and you can set how close you want to be when you're using your adaptive cruise control. Moving on over to the center console, right up here we've got a full navigation system, and then moving down we do have an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. We also have Sirius satellite radio that does come with a 3-month subscription, and Bluetooth. Right down here is our climate control. We've got our dual zone electronic climate control with heated mirrors and rear window defrost, and of course air conditioning. And right above that we've got some extra buttons, like if you want to quickly access your phone, your navigation, your audio, or your info. Right down here we've got our USB and auxiliary power inputs. And checking out the center console, the front seats are both heated and cooled. So let's hop out and we can take a look at the rear of this Acura and see what we've got for cargo space. Moving around to the rear, we've got our color matched rear mounted shark fin antenna and color matched rear spoiler. And back here we do have a trailer hitch and our Acura and RDX all-wheel drive badging, as well as a rear wiper blade. To get into your liftgate, we just want to hold down on your key fob and your power liftgate will open right up for you. Inside we have a whole ton of cargo room, and those 60/40 fold down seats do allow for even more. And as it is a bit of a taller vehicle, you can carry a whole ton of gear. To close up your power liftgate, we're just going to hit that button. You can turn around and walk away and be assured it's going to close right up for you. Now this is a beautiful vehicle, and I'm sure that there is some features that I've missed in this quick video. So if you'd like to see it for yourself, come down to 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you would like some more info before making the trip, you can give us a call or find us online at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this Acura RDX and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody is doing marvelous. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.